Hey now, welcome back to the tech channel. Now in this video, I will be unwrapping and reviewing this wireless headset that I just bought. I'm trying to make sure it's still recording. I don't know what's going on with this camera, but this is actually already open. So I kind of already opened it because in the last video that I tried doing, it wasn't even recording. But hey, it better still be recording. Piece of shit. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Now, let's just take this out now. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, you can. It is a Zihnic product. I actually never bought anything from them. I don't even know who or what they are as well, so yeah, let's get on to business, shall we? Oh, nice. Oh, this is pretty nice packaging. Man. Are these instructions? Oh. Alright, so we got a user manual. That's pretty nice. I'm also going to be testing this in this video as well. Oh, and by the way, what is this? Yo, a keychain. Sweet, thanks for the free keychain. Alright. Oh yeah, I was going to say that this isn't just wireless, it's actually both wired and wireless. So, this is also going to be for me when I start filming on my laptop that's upstairs. So, yeah. Let's unravel that. Alright. Let's take that off. Take that off. Alright, so here is the headphones. Yeah. We got, what is this? Oh, we got like a play. It's out of focus. Let's see. Alright, cool. So we got like a play, pause, and phone button right here. And we got a plus and minus. I'm guessing that's the volume. The M, I'm guessing that's a mic because when I bought this, it said that there's a built-in mic into this. So that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, Zigno. I don't even know how to pronounce that company's name. But hey, this is the first time I'm buying from this company, so let's see if they are actually good. I'm gonna put this on real quick, see how they feel. Yo, these actually feel comfortable. Damn. Alright. So yeah. Oh, and then you got your God damn. Adjusters, you know, cause if you have a big head, that stuff. I have a small head, I'm no big brainer than my friend that's usually on the other side of me. Anyways, I don't really know if this is really a keychain. I mean, probably is, I'm gonna put this on my key anyways, because why not? So yeah, that's pretty much all it came with. It came with this too. Oh wait, this is a warranty code. Hold up a second. Did it? What? Did I get a free warranty on this thing? Look, when I went to checkout, it asked me if I wanted a warranty. I said no, but I wonder if it just gave me a free warranty anyways. I don't know. I probably doubt it then. But anyways, what's going to happen now is we're going to go upstairs to my room and go test this out on my quote-unquote Razer laptop. If you guys actually saw that last video. But really though, it's a HP EliteBook 2570p. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go test it out on that laptop. So see you guys there. Alrighty. Now that I got my laptop running up and all, you can kinda see my setup, I guess. So this is the mic I'm actually using right now. It is a black-red mic. We never actually did a video on this. So yeah, we kind of apologize for that. And that's a pirate ship, somewhat a pirate boat. Yeah, that I got when I was in North Carolina. But anyways, I don't think I actually didn't know this, but right here is where the power is. So yeah. Also, I am not quite sure if I need to charge this or not. So I might have to charge this, and if I have to, well, fuck. Anyways, let's just click add Bluetooth. Alright. Yeah, okay. So it's on. I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but she just talked. Oh shit! Hell yeah! Oh, great. Oh, great! I actually don't need to charge this. Wonderful. Oh wait, now I need to get somewhere. Let's go with Geometry Dash. Let's see if this actually worked. Oh, wait, finally Geometry Dash is finally getting up. Yep, I can hear that. You guys can't, but if I do this. Okay, that was probably really awful, but it's still. Now, I can turn this down. You know? Oh, yeah, okay, good. That works. That actually works. It's turned down, so that's cool. Oh, okay, I thought something happened. Alright, so, yeah. That's pretty cool. What is that? What the fuck? Oh, that just disconnected it. I pressed that M button, actually. Alright. So I guess that M button just disconnects it. So yeah. The other way I need to test this is actually filming a video on here. So you guys will see that and maybe other things. But yeah, let's see how that goes. On second thought, I forgot to unravel this, so we're gonna do that real quick. Whoops. Oh, cool. Only just that tiny cut, dude. Nice. Ooh. Oh, okay, so I'm guessing this is just a children thing. To charge the headset. So that's cool, you know? And then this is for the wired. If, I wanted it to be wired. So, yeah. I'll be also testing this out as well to see how it will go as well. And also, I'm going to test out and see what happens when I have this and this both at the same time, like with two mics, I'll see how that goes when I do a swim code. So, let's go do that.
Okay, so this is the test with my headset just being wireless by itself. So let's spawn in a icon of sin. Yo, stop. Why does it do I don't know what I said more. Anyways, so what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna test this out with it being wired. So alrighty, so this is the test with my headphones being wired now. And by the way, this is without my black red mic. So yeah, let's spawn in something small now, like a pinky. Yo, what's up? Yo, come at me, bitch. Yeah, get some. Yeah, get some motherfucker. Alright, okay. Anyways, well, that was that. Alright, so what a good test. Alright, now I'm gonna test it out with my headset being wireless, but also with my black red mic. So let's go do that. Alrighty, hot dog. We are at the third test now. Anyways, this is the test with the headphones being wireless with the black red mic. Alright, so what's up, dogs? Howdy. Let's spawn in a Hell's shield. Yeah, what a nice shield, man. Fucking dumbass. Anyways, alright, cool. Now, what's gonna happen for this last test is I'm gonna put the headphones back wired now, and I'm gonna keep the black red mic going, but the next test is just basically going to be, the black red mic, but with the headset being wired. So let's do that. Alright, so now this is the final test, and it is with my black red mic and the headphones but wired. So let's spawn in something again. Heck yeah, Cthulhu. Is that Cthulhu? Ooh, whoa, okay, that hurt. Well, no new Cthulhu. Alright. Well, I think that sums it up for all that testing. I must say it was pretty ass. Cause, of how I've been editing this and how I had to go back and forth and keep listening. It's just, dude, these headphones are just ass and clickbait, so yeah. But I have one more thing to kind of tell you guys, and then the video will end.
Alright, so this right here is actually to answer and end and actually pause and all that jazz. but you can actually use this on your phone to pretty much talk to your significant other or something like that, you know? And you can do it wirelessly, you know? So that's pretty cool. And then over here, that end button, that's actually not the mic. It's actually a mode switching for this, for BT, MP3, and FM. So I guess you can actually listen to music through this. And then this part right here is actually an SD/TF card slot, which I don't know what it's gonna be used for, really. I mean, I guess you could use it to slap on music into here from your computer and use this to listen to it, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, this headset or headphone, whatever you want to call it, is pretty fucking ass, actually. The mic is terrible, and I think the mic is somewhere like here, inside here, but yeah, it's just poor. Also, that's the charging port, by the way, and that's where you connect the other end for when you want it wired. And yeah, it's just a blur moment for this headphone, so thinking of returning it, but tell us if I shouldn't. So yeah, we'll see you all in the next tech video.